Alright, so in this video, I want to share with you something I'm learning about how to essentially grow your email list, get more sales, spend less time working and creating, but making a heck of a lot more. I don't have it perfected yet, but I'm learning about it, and I'll learn a lot more here as the week goes on. It's actually a coaching program. It's like $1,200 a month, and we're just going through it, finding out, what it's all about, how it all works. But essentially, what it is this. So, imagine having, let's say, 10 people, and each of those 10 people are an expert at something that, let's say, is something that doesn't affect your business, but only makes it better. I'll give you an example using my own business, but imagine there's 10 people and they each have, let's say, 5,000 people on an email list. Okay? So that's 50,000 people, right? And the people that are on this email list are all people that would be probably good candidates for whatever it is that you sell. Imagine if you got those 10 people together and you did a free online event where each of the 10 people got 30 minutes to talk, and you recorded all of this, and then, if they wanted to sell something or tell people about what it is that they do or whatever, they could grow their thing that way. But people would get a huge value out of this event, and then they would all email it to their list, and you would email it to your list, and it had nothing to do with you. But you presented the event. You put it on. And some people even charge a low ticket amount, like maybe you charge $47 to attend the event. Right? And, for me, it would be like, within Build Lab, we need to know how to do, not necessarily copywriting, but we need to know how to do messaging. We need to know how to do video. We need to know how to do landing pages. We need to know how to do, email marketing, all these things, right? So I could invite experts in all those topics. I want to get in front of their list. I want to sell on Build Lab, and they can even be a part of it, and they would even earn an affiliate fee if they sold Build Lab, right? So they would not only benefit from getting in front of my list and all the other people's lists, but they would also increase their social media views. They would also, and all of it would be about what it is that you do without you having to do anything. And think of all the content that gives you on social media. Think about all the content that gives you for shorts and long form and chop it up, and it was just represented by you. Does that make sense? So you're just the facilitator, but just by sheer association with the event and being the facilitator, everybody's looking to you like, wow, man, you brought that all to us. Thank you. And then people check you out, and just by default and association and really proximity, your business grows. Everybody else, it's a win-win-win-win-win-win. And it's so much faster because you're leveraging other people's attention. But it's also in their benefit as well. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. It's something I'm learning about more. I'm going to bring to you in Build Lab. And I'm just here in Oregon. It's like Eugene, Oregon. I love that little surfer bus behind me. That little VW surfer bus. Where's it at? Right there. Pretty sweet, huh? These are some huge trees. Love Oregon. It's been actually pretty sweet. I just found a cool little area. Thought it was a neat place to put up a video. So anyway, I hope that has your mind shaking and going crazy. But think about the possibilities there. Think about the network effect. Think about what that does to you, what you learn from it. Think about also how it eliminates you having to create so much content and actually create content when this is like content that's coming by way of actual like two things meeting and colliding. You and your audience, their audience, and their people learn from it. It's just a super value-packed thing all the way around. And why would you ever stop doing it once you started doing it? people grow that, like, ads and email, like, nothing can touch that effect. So anyway, I'm really excited to bring that to you. I'm unpacking it now, learning about it. I'm going to do it myself, get some feedback, teach it. But I just wanted to share that with you. I think it probably should provide you a lot of value if you're obviously wanting to sell your knowledge instead of your time and you're wanting to find the most efficient way to provide the most value and generate the most value. Okay? So, yeah, let me know what you thought of this, and I'll see you in the next one.